Hello and welcome back. This is just a quick update on my forehead and nose surgery for my facial feminization. And if you take a look, there's not a whole lot that has changed from last. Healing just continues on, and it's going well. Still getting more sensation through the forehead and crown as time goes on. The scars are getting better and better. I continue to use silicone ointment on that, which is very helpful. I had one kind of keloid thing right here that is now going away because of that. And I look forward to a full recovery. I had said in the previous video that it seemed like healing had become a little bit lopsided. I talked to the doctor about that, and he said, actually, to some degree, I had that originally. So, that's fair. Don't think I want to go back under surgery anytime soon, though, as it's still not in a fully healed state. And I don't think re-injuring the site at the same time would be good for it. On my nose, a lot of the swelling has gone away. Where they did the incision underneath has softened and is no longer stiff and protruding like it was. And it just looks very natural, I think. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I would be happy to answer them. I do plan on getting one more final piece of facial feminization surgery. Well, I hope it's final, but who knows? The way it is with plastic surgery, a lot of times you need to go back and do tweaks. So it will just be to slightly rework my chin and to remove a couple of the kind of like bone spurs right there. But we don't want to do too much because it's a pretty good spot to begin with, and doing much more would probably make it less attractive. So don't want to do that. And that's also I guess that's always one of the quandaries of doing plastic surgery is, unless you're very careful, you can easily make yourself look worse. So proportions are so subtle, and they all interact in such an intricate way that you often don't know until you've done something what's going to happen. Like, once I had my forehead and nose done, I actually wasn't sure I'd want to do anything with the chin at all because it had changed the overall feeling of the face so much. Just doing that made a huge difference in terms of all the proportions and the way they went together. So it's something to consider for sure. Thank you for watching. Be well, be blessed, be perfectly healed, be perfectly happy, be perfectly at peace, be perfectly endowed, be perfectly enlightened. I love you. Aloha.